Today I want to share with you a recipe that's using this brand new machine, the Kuvings Greek yogurt and cheesemaker, and I am going to show you how to make Greek yogurt. I was brought up on this stuff with a background being Greek. My grandmother used to make it in the village. It took a lot longer than it's going to take to make it with this machine, so I want to share you a really simple way to make homemade Greek yogurt without any additives and preservatives and without the sugar as well. We need a litre of milk and we need either a starter sachet or you can use some Greek yogurt that you've already got. So we've got about 6 tablespoons here. We just pop it in there and the machine is so handy. It has over 100 preset recipes on it. So we're going to select the Greek yogurt option and then the machine will do all of the work. Now, why does everybody love Greek yogurt so much? Well, not only does it taste really good and it goes with a full range of recipes, it's full of protein, so it keeps you full for longer, and also it's full of B12. So we're going to start with our milk. We'll just pour it in our bowl. I think I'm going to use the yogurt today, so we'll just scoop that in, give that a little bit of a stir, and then we pop it into our yogurt maker. Pop the lid on. We press the power button till we get F and the menu button till we get to Greek yogurt, and it's set. 8 hours, it's going to do all the work. When it's finished, take out the bowl, put it in the fridge for 3 hours, and then we're going to come back and strain it. Strain it through your second bowl and your strainer, which you get in the kit. Pop your yogurt through and it will strain in the fridge for another 6 hours. Now, with the magic of television, I did make one a couple of days ago. I haven't tried it yet, so let's give that a whirl. That is really good. It always tastes better with a Kuvings.